In this recording, we'll show you the option of Hole Wizard Process. Hole Wizard Process recognizes all of the holes that were created inside SolidWorks using the SolidWorks Hole Wizard, such as these counterbore holes that we see over here, the drilled holes, and other holes that we have here as well. All of them were created with the SolidWorks Hole Wizard, and we have a function that actually recognizes it and creates the operation for them. Let's see how this works. If I were to go into my Hole Wizard process, you can see we have a list of the 4 different Hole Wizard processes that we support. Let's start with the tapped holes. If I click on tapped holes, all I have to do now is just click on this tapped hole, for example, over here, and all of those holes that were inside that pattern were recognized. If I accept that, all of the operations were now created for those holes. If I want to do that for the counterbore hole, same thing. Click on the counterbore hole. All of them have been recognized. And after I accept them, you can see again, all of the operations are being created for those holes. Let's run the simulation as to what we've done up until this point. You can see that every single hole is being drilled out to its proper depth with the proper tool until all of them are complete. The counterbore holes and those tapped holes as well. Now, there's a different way of doing this as well. We can use what we call the Hole Wizard Process drag and drop. We'll delete everything that we've done up until this point, and instead of doing what we did before, we'll just go to our drag and drop. If I want, for example, the tapped holes, when I click on tapped holes, I'll take the process and drag it to the tapped holes. By doing that, it'll now automatically create the operation for those tapped holes. For the counterbore holes that we have over here, I'll drag it to the counterbore hole. And you can see that the operations are being created for those holes as well. Again, we'll run the simulation on all of the holes. And you can see again that all of the operations are again automatically done, and you can see them inside our simulation. This is the power of Hole Wizard Process machining, recognizing all the holes automatically and creating the operations for them quickly and easily.